Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I'm just gonna do a mini day in my life, so let's go. I'm just getting the girls ready. Brielle goes to nursery today, so I'm getting her ready and we're gonna go to nursery, and then it's just gonna be myself and Beto. Hubby has gone to work, so it's just me and baby girl at home. I'm gonna be able to get a lot of things done in the house while Brielle is not here. So yeah, just good. She just finished having her breakfast. I'm gonna quickly feed baby girl and then we're gonna get in the car and go drop her. Let's go. Put it down then. Put it down. No. 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 We got this 360 car seat and honestly it's a lifesaver. Like twist, turn, everything. Like I don't have to bend and overwork myself. It's just a lifesaver. Anyways, let's get you inside and say hi to Grandpa and Nana. Yeah. So I've dropped Brielle off at nursery, and because our nursery is not too far from my parents' house, I just popped in to say hi to them and also grab a few things that I forgot when I came round at the weekend. I forgot a few things, so I'm just picking them up and saying hi. Beto is, I believe she's gonna probably have her morning nap. I'm gonna try and get her down and then up we go back home so that I can get a few things done. I refilled my mug because when we were leaving the house I made myself some green tea, but when I got here I decided to make myself some coffee, hazelnut coffee, win-win. So after a few minutes here we're gonna go home and get a few things done around the house. I need to tidy up my kitchen. I just need to do some cleaning. I need to put the bins out because the bin collection is tomorrow. I need to tidy up the kitchen a bit. Also just around the house in general, just do a few things around the house and stuff while Brielle is not home. I'm looking at taking out my hair today. I don't know if I'm able to. Yes, if not, Brielle's at nursery again tomorrow, so I might use tomorrow to take out my hair instead. But yeah, cheers guys, we'll check in later. Back home now, it's time to tidy up the kitchen. Everything is just a bit everywhere at the moment, so let's do some kitchen reset. 1, 2, 3, go.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. Oh, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to be with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm, told me I'm, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, gotta let 'em know. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, opportunity to grow. I know you having trouble understanding it.
So guys, after doing all my chores and everything, clearing the kitchen and everything and taking bins out, basically I didn't have much time left and it was time to pick up Brielle. And we went and myself and Betta went to get her, and she's here, she's fallen asleep, bless her little heart. Nursery clearly tired her out, but yeah, she's fallen asleep and everything. Baby girl too is also sleeping in a Moses basket. So I am just gonna go upstairs. I need to schedule a post on my business, Roots and Rich. Go check it out if you haven't done so. It's a hair care brand, a organic natural ingredients hair care brand, looking after your hair and nourishing it from within. So I will leave the link on here and in the description box. But yeah guys, I need to go upstairs to my mini office and quickly get some content done for the page and schedule a post and stuff like that. So yeah, after doing everything I needed to do upstairs, I came downstairs and just had some lunch and chilled out a bit, and that was where I ended the vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do make sure to subscribe and comment down below what you would like to see from me, if you have any suggestions, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me